Being a new parent can be an exhausting and overwhelming experience, especially when your baby is constantly fussy and hard to settle. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we will be discussing practical and effective ways to help your restless baby settle down and get a good night's sleep. Whether you're dealing with colic, teething, or just a naturally active baby, these tips will help you cope with the challenges of a restless baby and get some much-needed rest. We understand that every baby is different and what may work for one may not work for the other, but these tips are a great starting point and can be adjusted to fit your baby's unique needs. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Establish a bedtime routine. One of the most important things you can do for your restless baby is to establish a consistent bedtime routine. This will help your baby understand when it's time to go to sleep and make it easier for them to settle down. A bedtime routine might include a bath, a lullaby, a story, and a cuddle. This routine should start at the same time every night and be followed in the same order every night. It is important to be consistent with this routine as babies thrive on consistency and predictability. Make sure your baby is comfortable. Before you put your baby to bed, make sure that they are comfortable. This means that their diaper is clean, they're not too hot or too cold, and they're not hungry or thirsty. If your baby wakes up in the middle of the night, it's important to check these things before trying to put them back to sleep. A dirty diaper or being too hot or too cold can make it difficult for your baby to fall asleep and stay asleep. Try a white noise machine. White noise can help to soothe a restless baby and drown out any other sounds that might be keeping them awake. You can use a white noise machine, a fan, or even a recording of white noise on your phone. The sound of white noise mimics the sounds that your baby heard in the womb and can be comforting to them. It can also help to mask any outside noise that might be disrupting your baby's sleep. Use a pacifier. If your baby is used to having a pacifier, it can be a helpful tool for soothing them and helping them to fall asleep. A pacifier can be comforting to a baby and can help to soothe them if they are in pain or discomfort. It is important to note that if you choose to use a pacifier, it's best to introduce it early on, so your baby gets used to it. Use a swaddle. Swaddling your baby can help to keep them feeling secure and prevent them from startling themselves awake. Swaddling can also help to keep your baby's arms and legs from flailing around, which can be uncomfortable for them. It is important to note that your baby should be swaddled tightly enough to feel secure but not so tight that it restricts their movement. Try a baby carrier. Carrying your baby in a baby carrier can help to soothe them and make them feel safe and secure. This is particularly helpful if your baby is dealing with colic or reflux. The close contact and motion of the carrier can be comforting to a baby and can help to soothe them. It is important to note that you should always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using a baby carrier, and make sure that your baby is securely fastened in it. Try a baby massage. A gentle baby massage can help to relax your baby and soothe them before bedtime. Massaging your baby's back, arms, legs, and feet can help to release tension and relax them. It can also help to promote bonding and relaxation between you and your baby. It is important to use a gentle touch and to avoid massaging any areas that are painful or uncomfortable for your baby. Take a walk. Sometimes, a change of scenery can be just what your restless baby needs. Taking a walk around the block or going for a drive can help to settle your baby down and make them more sleepy. The fresh air and change of environment can be soothing for your baby, and the motion of the walk or drive can help to relax them. It is important to note that if you choose to go for a drive, make sure that your baby is properly secured in their car seat. Use a rocking chair. Rocking your baby in a rocking chair can be a soothing and calming way to help them fall asleep. The rocking motion can mimic the motion of the womb and can be comforting to your baby. It is important to note that if you choose to use a rocking chair, make sure that it is safe and stable, and that your baby is properly secured in it. Try a baby sling. A baby sling can be a helpful tool for soothing a restless baby. The close contact can help your baby feel safe and secure and make them more likely to fall asleep. It is important to note that if you choose to use a baby sling, make sure that it is properly adjusted and that your baby is securely fastened in it. Try a baby hammock. A baby hammock can be a helpful tool for soothing a restless baby. The gentle rocking motion can help to relax your baby and make them more likely to fall asleep. It is important to note that if you choose to use a baby hammock, make sure that it is safe and stable, and that your baby is properly secured in it. Use a baby wrap. A baby wrap can be a helpful tool for soothing a restless baby. The close contact can help your baby feel safe and secure and make them more likely to fall asleep. It is important to note that if you choose to use a baby wrap, make sure that it is properly adjusted and that your baby is securely fastened in it. Try a baby swing. A baby swing can be a helpful tool for soothing a restless baby. The gentle rocking motion can help to relax your baby and make them more likely to fall asleep. It is important to note that if you choose to use a baby swing, make sure that it is safe and stable, and that your baby is properly secured in it. Keep a journal. Keeping a journal of your baby's sleep patterns can help you to identify any patterns or triggers that might be causing your baby to be restless. This can help you to make adjustments to your baby's routine or environment to help them sleep better. It can also be helpful to note any changes in your baby's behavior or mood, as well as any changes in their sleep patterns. In conclusion, being a parent to a restless baby can be challenging, but with the right tools and techniques, you can help your baby to settle down and get a good night's sleep. Remember, every baby is different, and what works for one baby may not work for another. It's important to be patient and persistent, and to always keep your baby's comfort and safety in mind. We hope that these tips have been helpful and that you'll find some relief from your restless baby's sleep troubles. Thanks for watching.